This is the Hammermuhle Viaduct, one of the busiest highway viaducts in Switzerland. Over the length of 381 meters, the deck of the viaduct is carried by 4 pillars, each of which support the superstructure by means of 2 bearings, one on each side. Replacing those bearings on the 6-lane National Highway Viaduct is a high-precision task, a complex refurbishment project that put Mageba's expertise to the test at all stages of design, supply, and installation. The challenging access conditions and tight schedule required an efficient site organization, a highly skilled team of mageba installation technicians and engineers working closely with experienced partners. To replace the bearings, the superstructure of the viaduct needs to be lifted. Mageba, with extensive experience in refurbishment projects, successfully completed this demanding operation. The viaduct's concrete superstructure is being lifted by 2 × 8 individually controlled hydraulic jacks located in the center of the bridge between the 2 bearings. This fully integrated system allows for synchronized operation of all the jacks from a central location. The work protocol specifies a series of 5 night shifts within a strict window of 0 delay for each bearing to be replaced. The first night focused on lifting and weighting the superstructure and detaching the bearing from its connection to the abutment. The mortar bed and old reinforcement around the bearing is removed using hydrojetting and welding equipment. Once the bearing, along with its concrete and reinforcements, has been removed, a formwork is mounted around the pillar and a new flat surface is grouted to later receive the new bearing. At the end of each night shift, a steel plate with 4 hydraulic jacks is put in place of the removed structural bearing to act as a temporary support during the day when the viaduct is carrying full traffic load. Night 3 starts with the removal of the hydraulic jacks. The bearing installation then proceeds with the positioning of the sliding plate, which in this case is attached to the old one. Using mobile presses, the heavy sliding plate together with a load distribution plate is lifted and precisely adjusted to close the gap between the old and new plate. The load distribution plate is used to hold the new sliding plate in place and evenly distribute pressure during the injection of liquid metal that seals the gap between the 2 sliding plates. For this purpose, a temporary sealing formwork is attached around the 2 plates. The preparation from last night pays off in night 4 as the initial position is reconstituted quickly and the injection executed. The gap between the 2 plates has been seamlessly closed and is ready to receive the bearings pot in the 5th and final night. Prior to the installation of the bearings pot, silicone grease is applied to the PTFE sliding material and then pulled into position. After being positioned, the bearing is carefully leveled and finally grouted with concrete to anchor it to the structure. Replacing the bearings on the Hammermuhle Viaduct has been a challenging yet rewarding project for Mageba. We are perfectly prepared to tackle your refurbishment project as well, regardless of the requirements.